everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the RoC Retinol Correction Under Eye Cream. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. How many of you have looked in the mirror after a full night's sleep only to be greeted by those stubborn dark circles under your eyes? They make you look tired, older, and just not your best self. We've all been there, and that's why we're excited to introduce a game-changing solution, RoC Retinol Correction Under Eye Cream. Before we dive into how this incredible product can transform your skincare routine, think about how you feel when you catch sight of those dark circles in the mirror. It's frustrating, right? You've tried everything, getting more sleep, cucumbers, cold presses, but nothing seems to give you lasting results. That's where RoC comes in. Dark circles are more than just a cosmetic concern. They can be caused by a range of factors: aging, lack of sleep, genetics, stress, and even sun exposure. These under-eye shadows can affect how you feel about your appearance and even how others perceive you. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept them as a permanent part of your life. RoC has developed a specialized, clinically proven formula designed specifically to target the delicate skin under your eyes. This cream works to visibly reduce dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and give you brighter, smoother, and rejuvenated under eyes. Now let's talk about why RoC Retinol Correctional Under Eye Cream stands out. RoC is a skincare brand trusted by dermatologists for over 60 years. So what's the secret? Retinol. Retinol is one of the most effective ingredients in skincare, scientifically backed to stimulate collagen production and cell turnover. That's what gives your skin that youthful, smooth glow, and it's the hero of this under eye cream. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.